Hey guys, here's a quick video that shows you how you can use your shortcuts on your iPhone to connect with Notion so you can send a task straight from your Apple Watch to your Notion. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the Shortcuts app on your phone, and then you're going to click on Start a New Shortcut. It's up in the upper right hand corner, it's the little plus sign. Then from the search actions, you're going to search for Notion. And if you haven't connected Notion or don't have Notion downloaded, you're going to want to do that first. Then you're going to choose Create Document Without Opening. That's the part that makes it pretty seamless so that it will create the task without you having to do a lot. Once you've got that, then you're going to click on Create a Page with Text. When you get to the text part, you're going to choose Ask Every Time down there. That's so it waits and it gets you to dictate what the task actually is. Then in the body, you can just type something in there. That's so you don't have to have a two-step chat there. And then the last one is you're going to choose the database. Now, if you've used my previous videos that I've shown you on how I use Notion, your tasks is going to be either the tasks para or the tasks, I named mine tasks current. In the show notes, I'll go ahead and link the way that you can review my Notion setup. It's pretty simple. I also use Thomas Frank, his templates for just about everything. So I did a 90-minute video previously on that, so it's there. And then once you've chosen the task, then you can click on Done. Once you're done, then you definitely want to go back and edit it. You're going to rename it first, and you're going to name it something that will be easy for Siri to do. So in this example, I'm choosing Don't Forget. What happens then is if I raise my watch up and say, hey Siri, don't forget, it starts this automation. And then I just need to tell it what not to forget, and then it adds it to my tasks current. You also want to be sure that it is turned on for your Apple Watch at this details page. So once you've got those two things, that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and use your Apple Watch to dictate and say, hey Siri, and it'll be done. Hope that helps.